I came across Jordan's YouTube channel, and it kind of spoke to me because I was already doing other methods to make money online, but I realized the revenue potential you can make with YouTube. It never really dawned on me that you could do this method. I purchased the Advanced Master Course, and right away, I started noticing on my regular YouTube channel, my views had gone up organically because in the Advanced Master Course, you learn SEO, you learn how to rank your videos, how to title them, how to add keywords in the descriptions. And just like that, my views shot up quite a bit. I used his methods on monetizing channels, and I've been able to supplement my income very nicely for the last like 18 months or so. The method works. It works so much, I bought the course twice. That's right. Last year, he offered a 4-course bundle with all his courses together. The 2 Make Money on YouTube courses, the Shopify dropshipping course, and the Build Your Own Brand course. I know value when I see it, and there's so much value in that bundle, I couldn't pass it up when he was offering the Black Friday deal last year. And yeah, I'm so glad I bought Jordan's course. My income, like I've said already, has gone up quite a bit. I definitely recommend everybody who's on the fence about buying the course, just buy the course. You won't regret it. There's so much value in it. And the Facebook group is full of great people. I've made a lot of friends, a lot of helpful people, people willing to help you out. I'll be in the group. I'm willing to help anyone out as much as I can. But Jordan's also in there, and he does a great job answering everybody's questions. And, you know, you buy the course, you're in the group, you're Jordan's friend. And I really believe that. I wouldn't have said that unless I believed it. I definitely recommend you purchase the course, you join the community, and make some money.